At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing.
Samantala, Kalinga Prab napupuno na sa mga baser ni Erica. Kaya gumawa na ito ng aksyon para tumigil na ang pangbabas kay Erica. Kaya mag-ingat po tayo sa ating mga salita na gamit ang social media. Dahil yan ang makakasira sa buhay at karir nyo. Kung mapatunayan at maparusahan na kayo. Hindi lang kayo magdusa, pati kamag-anak, pamilya ay madamay din. Kaya ingat po tayo sa paggamit ng social media.
Ayan, so ayun mga kalingap, may sasabihin lang po ako. Kasi may mga, syempre, di maiwasan, hindi pa rin tumitigil mga bashers ni Erica. Pero siguro ito na yung time para gumawa kami ng action para mag-report kung ano yung pwedeng report namin sa NBI, mag-file ng case, cybercrime. Ayan. And ayun, may nag-gather na rin naman kaming mga ebidensya. And yun, may mga nagpo-post kasi against kay Erica. Mga paninira, ganyan. Minsan, mga lumang picture pinopost. So, ano po, grabe. Di ko alam kung ano yung... Ang purpose lang talaga nila ay siraan si Erica. And matagal na po nilang ginagawa yan, pero may mga nakarating sa akin. So ayun, ito na siguro yung tamang panahon para gumawa kami ng aksyon para regarding sa ganyang gawain. So magpa-file po kami ng kaso sa NBI. Dadalhin namin yung mga ebidensya na yon. So kaya mag-ingat po tayo. Kung sino man po yung mga talagang taong may galit na hanggang ngayon ay hindi tumitigil.
I don't really know